You can speed up the setup process by tapping Get Started on your orders page or confirmation email. This will allow you to sync your data to the cloud to speed up transfer during setup. To begin transferring data to your new device, make sure your existing Android phone is connected to Wi-Fi and your data is backed up from your existing Android phone. Turn on your Pixel phone, and on the bottom right, tap the arrow. Select your language and region. When prompted to set up using another device, choose Pixel or Android device. On your previous Android phone, tap Set Up on the notification or open your camera app. Use your previous Android phone to scan the QR code on your new Pixel. If your device detects a slow Wi-Fi connection between devices, it may prompt you to transfer data via cable connection. On your Pixel, enter your previous Android phone's PIN, pattern, or password. It will take a few moments for your phones to connect. You can choose how to copy your data. To finish your setup more quickly, you can select Express. This will transfer data that's not available in your Google account. Or, to pick exactly what you want to copy, choose Customize. Tap Copy. Your new Pixel phone will automatically connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your previous Android phone, set up networks and services, and add any accounts that are logged into the Android device. Tap Next. If you don't want to copy certain data to your Pixel, uncheck the box. Tap Copy. Keep both phones next to each other while copying data. You can check the status of your data transfer by tapping the notification in the top right. Depending on your phone model, it will have an eSIM only, or physical SIM and an eSIM. To learn more about eSIM, visit g.co/pixel/eSIM. If you have a SIM card and didn't already insert it, use the SIM card tool to insert it now. If you have an eSIM, tap Set Up eSIM. Setup will lead you through setting a PIN, fingerprint unlock, and face unlock. Review each screen to continue. During setup, you can turn on Gemini, your built-in AI assistant on your Pixel. When copying is done, tap Done. On Pixel 9 and later, if you chose not to copy any data, or if there was data missing while setting up your device, you can transfer data from your previous Android again by going to Settings. Tap Accounts and Backup, and then select Android Switch.